The Pioneer TS-A879 3.5-inch speakers offer a significant upgrade to your car's audio system with their two-way design, providing enhanced sound quality and performance. These speakers are capable of handling up to 100 watts of continuous power, allowing for dynamic and powerful audio without distortion. With a wide frequency response range from 850 Hz to 33 kHz, these speakers deliver a rich and immersive listening experience across various music genres. The sensitivity rating of 85 decibels ensures that even with lower power inputs, the speakers produce clear and loud sound. Designed for easy installation, the Pioneer TS-A879 fits seamlessly into standard speaker openings, making it a convenient choice for replacing or upgrading factory-installed speakers. Pioneer has engineered these speakers to provide a balance of crisp highs and deep lows, enhancing your in-car audio experience with clarity and accuracy.